This is Steve McCauley with Complete Web Presence, and here we are at WordPress.org for the simple reason that you can see here that WordPress recommend, amongst a few others, but they recommend DreamHost as one of the hosting companies for WordPress blogs. Now, you'll notice over here that they're making an offer that is a promotion run by WordPress, but I wouldn't worry about that one, even though it's a very fine offer. We have a better one through Complete Web Presence that will save you $60 on your first year and also gives you a free domain, which will become very useful later on. So basically, we're just proving the point here that using this dynamic duo of WordPress and DreamHost is an excellent idea, and that they are very, very compatible. I'm going to move over now to the DreamHost panel and show you how to set up your first domain. Here we are at dreamhost.com. Now then, we're going to domains and we want to register a domain. So if you've selected your chosen domain name, punch it in there. You should already know if it's available. And there we have it. Congratulations. So now we're going to register it. And here we are. Next choice is we want to host the domain. And now you're given this set of options here. Okay, don't ever take the monthly. It doesn't make any sense. If you're getting into this business, you have to be giving it a year. And the monthly will take a $50 setup, so it's pointless. Now, if you go for the yearly, the offer that we're making to you as part of this package is that we will pay half of that year. So that's $60 saving to you. Now, you can take as long as you like and we'll still pay the $60, but for the purposes of this particular video, take the year, and that means you're getting it 50%. Plus, there is an extra domain as well that we're going to provide for you, which you'll see the benefit of a little bit later on. Okay, so you've gone for your yearly. Now, you don't need to bother about any of the private servers or anything like that. So Google Apps comes for free anyway. And presumably you're registering a new domain, but depending on what the situation is, then fill out the right one here. Server username, that would be, in an ideal world, that's some username that you use a lot, so whatever it might be that best suits you. And then provide all of the contact information here, emails, etc. Now, the next most important thing here is the promotional code. And the promotional code to get the $60 off and the free domain is CWP007. And then agree to the terms and conditions and proceed to payment. And obviously you don't need me to run a video for you on how to put in your credit card details. So I'll see you over at the new panel where we'll install WordPress. Here we are at the DreamHost panel, and we are now going to load up Web Universitas, our chosen site here. So what you do is you go to one-click installs, and once you're here, you'll see that there's easy mode here and advanced. Well, if you go easy mode, you'll see it says you cannot access the files for installation. So that means you can't put any plugins in there or upgrades or anything. So what you want to do is definitely go for the advanced mode. There's WordPress as the first one, so that's all fine. Now then, we're just got to sort this little bit out here. So you want to install it to basically to itself, all right? And then we've got down here a database that's already set up for Web Universitas. If you don't have the database there, then you go create new. And then you're asked then to fill in the new database name. And we're going to create a new host name. And again, keep it all so as it's all directly connected. If this is the first time that you've done this, then you won't really have much else in the way of options. You just keep everything to the name of your domain. Then put in the users and the passwords that you put in earlier on, and very simply install it for me now. And voila, we've got it. Success, and within 10 minutes we will have our blog up and running. So once that's installed,